Hello everybody, welcome back to the Forex channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a very requested topic on my channel and on my Instagram, which is on the screen now. But yeah, I get loads of DMs about this question, about how I actually get sniper entries in my Forex trades. I'll quickly pop up some screenshots now of some of my entries which people have been asking about, because I do post some of them on my Instagram story and in my VIP. But yeah, I'm going to go through how I do this on the charts, but firstly I want to talk about practice. A lot of people have been asking me, how can I get better at entries, how can I get better at this and that. But it's all about practice, back testing. Obviously once you've made hundreds and hundreds of trades, you know where you could have entered better, and obviously if you're journaling and you write down could have entered when it rejected this area here, entered too early, or so on and so on. It's all about perfecting your strategy and entering at the perfect time to fit your plan. And obviously there is no such thing as a perfect entry. Yeah, anything can happen. No trade is certain. No trade is definitely going to win. No trade is definitely going to lose. Anything can happen in the Forex market. But firstly I'm going to take you through this gold trade, which people have been asking about. See here, price actually pushed down from this level up here, down to this level here, around 226 pips or so. And as you know, when a price makes an impulsive move, pulls back, consolidates, but actually it created a lower low here, and yeah, price couldn't close, although it wicked above here, couldn't close above this level here. And once I saw this candle reject it here, I entered the trade exactly here. I have very small stop loss above here, I think about 36 pips or so, and we did actually have our take profit at around this level here. And obviously we could have held it a lot longer. The reason I actually entered this trade and it ended up as a perfect entry was because price could not break above this level here. So obviously it couldn't break above, pushed back down, pushed up, couldn't break above, pushed back down. And yeah, I entered on the lower time frames. I think it was around 5 minutes. Yeah, if we look on the 5 minute time frame, we'll see that price rejected this 4 candles in a row. And as you know, price came down, pulled back, pushed down, pulled back. I was waiting for another push down. So when I entered after these 3 rejections here, I was confident the price was going to push down once more to create another lower low down here, which it obviously did. And as you see, price came down, pulled back, rejections of the upside here, and another push, another pullback. See, all these little pullbacks is where you could re-enter the trade and build up a large position over like 4 or 5 positions on the pullback, enter, pullback, enter, pullback, enter. But obviously price started consolidating, couldn't break below the level here, and yeah, we saw a nice push back up to around 1897 area. Actually entered multiple positions on this trade from up here when it came down, pulled back, came down, pulled back, came down, pulled back, came down, pulled back. As you see, there's multiple entry options, and you just got to look out for this. You got to see, is the market trending? If it's in an uptrend, wait for pullback to the downside and then an entry. Also, you can use the Fibonacci to look for entries as well. So if you pulled that back down to here, as you see, price didn't actually reach it, but say price came up, rejected this level here, and then started to make another bearish move down, you can see that it's rejected this area, which yeah, Fibonacci's are great for looking for pullbacks. It takes time to perfect your entries because you can't just suddenly watch a video, like watch one of my videos and suddenly get perfect entries. Obviously it builds up over time, and obviously I've had loads of trades which don't have perfect entries, like this trade here which I've shown in a previous video. This wasn't a perfect entry. As you see, we had rejections, rejection, rejection at this resistance. Price began to push down a little bit, spiked back up to create a support. As you see, no trade is certain to win. So if you think in trading, oh, I've watched this perfect entries video, I'm going to become a perfect trader and all my entries are going to be perfect, then you're definitely in the wrong business if you think that you're always going to win. But yeah, as you see here on this euro pound trade, we saw price push up, pull back, rejected the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which I said is great for pullbacks, and then pushed up higher here, hit the take profit, but it actually began consolidating. But yeah, luckily it hit our take profit first, And yeah, this is the gold trade in action. We actually had a Fibonacci from this drop, from this level down to this level. And as you see on this Fibonacci, which we drew in, it did actually reject the 0.618, but we didn't actually do it from the swing high. So usually I wouldn't do a Fibonacci like this, but as you see, it did reject this area here and then. But yeah, it all comes with practice, and you can't just expect to become a perfect trader overnight. Yeah, as if we're looking at gold right now, what I do is go on a higher time frame, let's say the daily, and as you see, price is actually in a very nice downtrend. Bit of consolidation here. Price was actually creating lower highs, but this area along the bottom here wasn't able to break below. So when we actually saw the break of this, it came up to retest this area here a little bit and then drop down. This drop here was still, even though it doesn't look like much, was around 480 pips, and that was actually the move I just showed you, which I caught on the lower time frames. But as you see, I pull back. But as you see, price actually rejected this area 4 times, and obviously has created a nice mini support area. And yeah, as we saw the push up, little pullback, push up, pull back, push up, pull back. And we'll probably see a nice bullish move. If it doesn't manage to create higher highs here, then we might see a drop back down to this area of this support here. But we could see price break above this level here. As you see, this area up here has actually been this area of support in the past, which is now a resistance area. But yeah, if we see a break above this and a retest, we could look for long positions on this trade. But you get what I mean with price trending, pulling back, consolidating a little bit, trending again. They're the 3 market cycles which you obviously need to know in Forex trading. And yeah, I hope this video is quite helpful, because a lot of people have actually been asking for sniper entry videos. But obviously it's quite hard to make because everyone's strategy is different, so people obviously enter at different times. Say you wait for a bullish engulfing to enter a long position, I might wait for a rejection on a pullback to enter. So obviously there's no perfect sniper entry for every single person. It's obviously different for everyone's different strategy in trading. But yeah, I hope this video helped you in your trading and might bring a little edge into your trading with your entries maybe. But yeah, if you did enjoy, like and subscribe. Thank you for 3,000 subscribers. Let's try and get to 10k. But yeah, thank you for watching.